life in summer.
Hello, we are the pupils of grade 2. Do you know what to do each summer?
Pay attention, we will give you some good advices to be safe and enjoy the summer. When you go to the beach, look for the green flag.
But be careful if you see the yellow flag. The waves are fast and big.
Don't go swimming when the flag is red. Remember to wear a suit hat to protect your head from the sun. And protect your body with sunscreen too. Remember to drink a lot of water in summer because it's very hot and your body needs lots of water. When you go to the beach, protect your feet with sandals or flip-flops. When it's very hot and sunny, stay in the shade and protect from the sun. Put on your sunglasses to protect your eyes from the sun. I love summer. I play French, Arlet, and I know.
Yes, I love snorkeling. Hey, Arlet, do you like snorkeling?
Yes. I see fish swimming in the water. We like fishing little fish, starfish or jellyfish. Then we throw them in the water. Summer horror is fantastic. I like making a sandcastle with my bucket. Me too. I love making sandcastles with doors, bars, shelves. I like walking on the sand and looking for shells. I like playing beach ball. And you catch the ball.
Back to back.